Hey guys, welcome to Cool Stuff with Pavan, and it's me Pavan, and welcome to my channel. So today we'll be making an aeroplane which will fly high, and it has three modes which are takeoff mode that will fly high, and landing mode which it will come down, and flipping mode which it will flip. Wait, something's coming. What's the... Oh, it's a minion. So I had another minion which came yesterday, which is upside down, and these two came yesterday too, and this one today. So let's see what we need to make it. So today we'll be making an aeroplane which will fly high, and it has three modes: landing mode, and with that mode it will fly high, it will go down, and takeoff mode which it will go high, and flipping mode which it will flip. So let's see what we need for making it. Colored paper. You can either use any paper, a pen, glue, and scissors. So first we need to take a paper. So let's move them away. So before that I have to choose my color. I'll take light blue. So it's done. So for making this, first we fold it in half like this. So you can see, and then we open it and fold the top part to the middle crease. Like this, and we fold it like this. So you have to move it back, like there should be a gap here. It should not completely go here till there, and then take one side and then fold it to the middle crease like this, and do this to the other side. There, it's done. And then the part which we get here, have to make it up, fold it upwards like this, and then we flip it over and fold it like this, and then fold it like this, and then take the other side and fold it like this, and next we have to fold the edge like this and open it, and go to the other side. So one place is done. Now we have to make the slits in which it will go up, down, and flipping modes. So for that we take scissors and then cut small pieces like this. Don't cut it out, just cut, and then fold it, so you will get something like this. Like this. So next, have to do it to the other side. A bibbidi, a bobbidi, subscribe. Now plane is ready, so I'll show you how we make the mode changes. So for takeoff mode, which it will fly high, you have to make both of them up like this, and for the landing mode, we have to make both of them down like this. It should be both down. And for flipping mode, we have to make one up and one down. So sometimes it will flip, and sometimes it will go like this, and sometimes it will go like this. So which side it should go? That side it should be up. Like if I make this side up, so then it will go like this, and if I make this side up and the other one down, then it will go like this. So let's do the decoration. So for the decoration I'm using another sheet of colored paper. So I'm going to cut out some stars. So let's do that. Wait, I didn't draw a star, so first I have to draw a star. I'll draw just one star and the others the magic. Okay, I draw a star and get the pen open and pen boom, 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 boom. So I got it ready. I got stars ready in the shape I want, but it became a little dirty here, as we can see. So let's clean it up. So it's done. So now let's decorate it. So we'll take the glue and then open it. So I open it. Now let's take the aeroplane and then stick it on the sides. So a bibbidi, a bobbidi, subscribe. So it's ready. So next I'm going to write my name here by shading into the pen too. So pen boom, boom. So it's done. So next what we have to do is to make it up, and it's testing time. So I put in the flipping mode. Let's test it. 1, 2, 3. I didn't throw it so hardly, so it didn't fly well. So this time I will throw it hardly. As you can see, it went like a volcano, like this. I'll put it in the flying mode, with which it will fly high. So 1, 2, 3. And again 1, 2, 3. It flied well. Now in the landing mode. So now I'm going to throw it. It's in the landing mode. You can see it went directly down. So if you want it to come back, sometimes it will come back. So we have to make it like this and keep it a bit folded like this. And then if you throw it, maybe it will come back. Sometimes it used to come back. So I put it in the flipping mode. So let's test it. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and the bell button. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe this channel, Pavan. Bye.